Villa number 53, Phase 2, in the premier residential gated community, Palm Meadows of Bangalore, is now available on rent. Ideal for an elite company guest house or as residential quarters for an expat family, the villa is available in ready to move or fully furnished configuration. Come, let us take a look at the property. So let's get on to a quick walkthrough of the property. You start from the rear end, moving on, you come up to the main door, which is right now open, and on top of that you can see the staircase tower, as it were, and then you turn the corner and get onto the short side of the property. You can see the drawing room window and the little bit of greenery that we still have. We used to have a lot more earlier. That's the covered parking, and behind that you see the kitchen window. Back to the drawing room window, and on top you can see in a moment the children's bedroom window right there. Moving on, we cross the little green patch, and before we get inside the main door, let me introduce you to the most important denizen of this property. That is this jasmine creeper. It's been with us for a long time, traveling with us, and ultimately put its root here and has grown here. May God give it a long life, and may it give happiness to everyone that stays here and ourselves as well. That's the main door. Getting in to the drawing room now. Getting inside, we get into the drawing room, which, as you can see, is well lighted, and as if that's not enough, we light it more. That's the staircase that goes up and down, leading up to the dining room. As you can see, we are doing some work, so it's in a mess. Please excuse that. This is the little breakfast counter with the coffee machine, the toaster, and something else that you need only in the evenings, and we could populate it for you. That's the kitchen, the cooking range, and the rest of the stuff. Behind the window that you see now is the utility, not this one, and the servant's toilet. This is the guest bedroom. As you can see, there's lots and lots of storage in here. Your guests might not need it, but you might. The bedroom has got an attached toilet, which is configured in such a way that you can also convert it to a common toilet. And right next to it is the cozy little study along with some Banganpalli mangoes. Moving on the staircase, we get to the master bedroom. As you can see, again, well lighted. You may not like it, but then we can always put thicker, darker curtains there. What you don't have is seaside, but what you do have is a tub. Make do with it. You might want to. And then this is the children's bedroom. The window that we saw from the road a little while ago. That's Mario on a tile, the famous painter, cartoonist of yesteryear from Goa. We are in the process of changing the wall hangings and stuff, so if you don't like some, we can change them and include some that you like. Lots of storage, attached toilet, no tub, only a shower in this one. That's the staircase that goes up, but before that, this is the first floor terrace open to sky. That's the long side and that's the short side. The staircase, and you come up to the landing. The view is similar to the one that you get from the lower landing, but this one you're face to face with more greenery, I guess. And then from here you move on to the pièce de résistance, the open air cocktail lounge, welcoming you, the Saki. That's where you must spend your evenings. Tiles, cocktail cabinet, swing, and in the background you could see our dear jasmine creeper. On the other side you have barbecue arrangements if you so inclined. That completes the tour of the property. Getting back to the ground floor, the dining room, as you can see, we are still working. You can get a lot of houses. You can probably even get this one, but I can't get you that one. I can get you only this. Villa 53 Phase 2. Call right away. +91 9009 424088.